Titan Leathers took over a 10-year-old tannery in Kolkata and modernized it way back in 1992. Today it is a major manufacturer of leather goods like garments, shoe uppers, upholstery and linings.
We do roughly about 2.25 to 2.5 million square feet per year. So we have one end, we do the raw to wet glue. Then we have a second phase, we do from glue to crust. And then the third part, we do crust to different colors, we do dyeing. And the fourth part is the finishing. So it is in 4 stages. So the job gets virtually quadrupled.
The company has managed to build a strong customer base in the overseas market. It was one of the first tanneries to get an ISO 9001 certification, and it has maintained a reputation of being perhaps the cleanest semi-automated establishment in the leather sector of the region. Its emphasis on hygiene has also given it an edge to acquire a better brand image.
We are one of the first ISO certified tanneries. I do not know if there is a second one in Kolkata. We were the first one. And as you see everywhere around, we try to keep our house clean and neat. And in fact, it has become virtually customary that any foreign delegations come, they make a visit to our tannery to have a look at one of the model tanneries which is run well, neat and clean, with utmost concern for our surroundings and for the environment.
Titan Leathers has one of the best application laboratories in the region, which has wet processing, finishing and roller coating facilities, in addition to spectrophotometer that is used for ascertaining color uniformity. In an attempt to become a responsible corporate citizen, the company has installed its own effluent treatment plant. All the contaminated water used for tanning goes through this decontaminating process. Once the water is released from the tannery, it goes to a centralized effluent treatment plant located in the same complex. Although the Bantala plant was designed to treat 30 million litres of wastewater per day with 6 modules of 5 million litres a day, but only 4 of them have been installed so far.
The ETP plant, the treatment plant is going to be expanded. The government has already allocated some fund for that expansion. The moment that happens, those very tiny tanneries which shut down are also going to be moving to that area. So first it has become a tannery cluster.
Over the last few years, the leather industry in Kolkata has been facing some tough times with the shortage of raw hides and scarcity of skilled labor. At one hand, China is considered the sole competitor in the global export arena, and on the other, Bangladesh poses a challenge in terms of raw hide supply.
Bordering Bangladesh, we are not getting enough raw materials into Bengal. And our labor cost is probably 6 times higher as compared to Bangladesh. As you see, our unit is one of the semi-automated. Many of the activities are here done by larger machines, requiring much less labor.
With the change in guard at the state government, industry is expecting the labor shortage to diminish, but until then, enterprises will be dependent on capex investments in their assets.